Hey, what's up guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you subscribe, smash the like button, leave some comments guys. It really helps support my channel, its growth. Okay, now over on X, everybody's piling in, man. I don't know what it is. People just love following me over there. I got over 11,000 subscribers and I talked about this today guys. Okay, this is another way to earn cryptocurrency without trading. Actually, it's something called prediction markets. Okay, and I found some really good wallets to earn good money with this bot called POLYGUN. Okay, and if you click right here, it'll take you over to Telegram. You can play around with it. Okay, but here's the spreadsheet of all the hot wallets. Okay, these wallets are printing money, and it's not trading guys, it's just prediction markets. So these guys are basically, they're just betting. They're betting on a move of, or not a move, they're betting on, like a sports game or something like that. Now, with Polymarket, if you are in the USA, then you're gonna need a VPN. Okay, you can use a VPN, you can bypass it, guys. I recommend Molvad. I like Molvad because you can pay with XMR. Okay, so yeah, check out these wallets, guys. Test it out, check it out. But these guys have a proven winning track record. And it's different than like copy trading with meme coins. Like, you're not gonna have to worry about somebody like dumping on you if you're tracking a wallet. Like, guys, this is just like a yes or no bet. So yeah, you'll make money with this. Okay, so something to test out. Maybe not for everybody, guys. It's just something new and refreshing that I wanted to put on my channel, just to kind of mix it up a little bit, because all I talk about is like meme coins and trading. But I want to talk about something else, a service that I created the other day, and yeah, the receipts are starting to come out more and more, guys. Okay, this one was for yesterday. Okay, it was only 2x, but then we had a 32x. Okay, and you can see that was my call, guys. That's from me, Crypto Ninjas Official. That's my official Telegram name. You want to get a hold of me, okay? And I'm actually running a killer special right now, guys, because I know there's a lot of people on the fence, and people have been scammed, and I've been scammed, guys. Everyone in crypto, they've been scammed, right? Like, if you're not getting scammed in crypto, then you probably haven't been in long enough, or you haven't done anything. Okay, when I first got into crypto, I got scammed, and then I gave up for a while. I got back into it. I started making life-changing income. Okay, so guys, what I'm offering you guys to get you off the fence and to show you guys, ensure your trust with me, is I'm running a crazy deal, guys. Crazy deal here. Okay, it's $10 for a 24-hour test run. Okay, you get a 24-hour test run, and then if you want to continue, instead of paying the $99, you just pay $90. Okay, I'll send you a special link. You'll still pay the same price, but you can try it for $10. Okay, so very powerful, guys. That is in my my Telegram. These signals come in 24/7, 365. Okay, so if you want to catch the next runner, guys, runner bot is the way to go. Okay, because a lot of people, they come to me and they can't afford the Katana Strike, my coaching program, which is more one-on-one. It's a lot of hand holding and helping you guys one-on-one to really up your game. But if you just want signals, guys, if you just need signals, like high quality trading signals, and you've already got the capital, you've got the experience, okay, I can help you out with this. Okay, now I'm also going to include like a guide, on the bot settings I use for like Trojan. Okay, so you'll know, like, you can set profit targets on when to get out of these coins, what to do. You'll have a game plan, and you also get lifetime support from me. So if you ever have any questions or you need help, I'm always here to help, and I have a chat with us right down here. But yeah, I've updated all the pricings to make it more affordable for everybody. And this offer right here, the $10 test run's a no-brainer. And I got a guy right now, he's really enjoying the service, and he's just doing the monthly. Okay, so something for everyone, guys. You can try out the sports wallets prediction betting stuff. This works pretty cool. Not financial advice. And then the runner bot. Okay, but make sure that you guys are following me over here. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon, like a viral giveaway. I'll probably do like a monthly, like one monthly subscription, but I gotta get this thing up. I gotta get people following it, and I'll start doing like a marketing campaign to get more people into this, because I just started this. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. And also I have a Telegram channel for this one. I'm gonna be posting all the results in there. So if you're sitting on the fence and you're like, does this work? I'm going to be continually posting like the receipts of, all the wins that we're catching in the runner bot. So you guys can, sit there and just keep seeing all the wins, or you could just jump off the fence and, join us and start making money and printing on Solana. All right. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Signing off from a tropical bliss. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day. All right. Peace.